In this session, we will write code to read data from the database and display it in the browser. To do this, we need to retrieve data in model and display it using the view. To do this, we will update the index action function in the album controller, and also we will update our view script, which is index.php. So now let's get started. Currently, I am in the controller folder. Let's open the album controller.php file. In this, we have the skeleton of the index action function. Let's add some code into this index action function. This code is returning an array of albums. This is being populated with the data from the database using the fetchAll function, which is being called using the getAlbumTable method. After updating the index action function, let's update the view file. So let's go to our album folder under the view folder, and let's open index.php. Currently, this is just a placeholder text. Let's remove this. Let's copy this code from here and paste it in our script. Now let's understand what this script is doing. First of all, it is setting the title of the page as My Albums. Next, setting the URL for the Add New Album link with the action as add. We have not written the code for the add right now. However, still the link will appear. We will add the code later on. Next, we define table and define its headings as title and artist. We also have one more column which is blank. In this column, we will have links for the edit and delete buttons. Using the for loop, the albums are displayed in the table using album dash greater than title and album dash greater than artist. Over here, we also have the link for the edit and delete buttons. There is a parameter called ID which is associated with each edit and delete links. Currently, these links will only be visible, but we will not be able to use them because we have not written code for them. We will be doing it later on. Once we have written this script, in the end, there is an end for each clause. Let's save this index file and quit. And now let's check our output in the browser. So ZF2-